Hey, it's Matt for 360 Investigations, back with another abandoned house. This one's sort of small. It's degraded, but we'll see where the investigation takes me. I want to point out that I'm walking on the support beam here. So that's your safest bet when you're on these things. It doesn't mean that it can't collapse. It just means it's the safest bet. Now, again, I want to explain that this place is already open. I didn't pry off any nails or break into anything. So I'm just going to show you that the door is open. And I can go in. Well, wish me luck inside, guys. See you now. I'm taking you in now. Oh, I was wrong. This place does have an upstairs. I still have to be careful, though. Okay, so that concludes this house, and that includes this section of the investigation. I'm now going to drive down the road, see if we can find some more places with my wife. So until then, this is Matt for 360 Investigations. Signing off, guys. Thanks for coming with us.